Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So now we need to complete this books list, right? So let's go to the books list. So here we will be having the studied list. So let's go to the studied list, and in this studied list, so we are having the books read. So let's try to keep this one as a books read list, okay? And I will rename this one as an books read list. What is the where it is? Yeah, here I will rename this one to books read list. Okay, fine. And here also it should be something like books read list, and everything should be working fine. Let's open this one, books read list. Okay, yeah, now it's working fine. Now it's time for us. What we need to do is, so here we need to create the books read list. So here in the studied list, so we are sending the books read. Okay, so let's take this books read, and here we will create an UL. Okay, and here we will write the li. So here we need to create the li. So for this li creation, what we can do, so we can create a one single one, that is nothing but read book. So book read.js, so single book, read book. So here I will be doing export default function book read, and we will be getting a single book here, and here in this one I will create return one li book read. Okay, fine. Now here in this read list, so what I want to do here, so in this UL books read dot map of single book, we will get a single book, and here I will try to do book read, and I will send this book is equal to book. That's it. So now we are sending the books here. So book read is also there, and book is not defined. Okay, here we got the book, right? Books read. Okay, it should be in a single here. Now I think everything will be working fine. Let's see what is happening here. Let's try to rewrite it again. So books read dot map of map of book, I will get it, and here I will read book read. Okay, and in this one I will try to send the book is equal to book. That's it. So this is our book, we are trying to send it in the book read. So we are having this one, right? And the books read also we are sending it, and in the study list we are sending the books read. Okay, fine. In the app.js, whether we are doing it or not, let's try to see it. Books read also we are sending it, and we are reading it. Okay, everything, hopefully it is working fine. And this book, okay, we are getting the single book read. So books read, what is this happening here? Okay, it should be something like book. Okay, now we got the book read. So here I will try to add a class name of books read list. We'll keep it like this, and let's go to the book read, and here I will create one image, img src is equal to book.image. Okay, and another one is something like div. We'll try to do it one by one. I will show. I will do h3 book.title, and another one which I want to do is another one div. Okay, in this we'll be having one div, so one span we'll be having, so that is nothing but single star. We'll try to maintain a single star, and here I will write the span, so 4.3 or anything, and we'll be having another div, so that will be in something like user rating, and like this we'll be having. Okay, now we'll be having it like this. So now let's try to refactor this one, design this one, app.css, and here books read list dot books hyphen red hyphen list. So we will be having it like this, And for this one, what I can do, I can give margin of 0 pixel and list style none, we can make it. Okay, so these two things we can make it. Let's see. And I want to give a padding of around 10 pixel. Okay, I think the margin will not be applied, so just we'll try to keep it. Fine. For this image, we will do something like books hyphen red hyphen list of image. In this image, I want to make a width of 50 pixel. Okay, so fine. I want to move these all the things to it. So here I can do class name is equal to d-flex. We can use the d-flex so that it will come. Okay, fine. And here we need to add a gap. So books red hyphen list dot books hyphen red hyphen list. We will use something like what I want to say is which one I have applied it here. For li, okay, for li we have applied it. Okay, for the li we have applied it. Okay, for the app.css books hyphen red hyphen list books hyphen red hyphen list inside li. So I want to give a gap of 10 pixel. Okay, so we got the 10 pixel. And here in the books hyphen red hyphen list, so we have one h1, right? h3, I think h3. Let's give a font size, not font size, margin of 0 pixel and a font size of around 12 pixel. Why? Because I have zoomed it, so that way I'm keeping it like this. And for this one also, what I will do is, so for this one we'll be having class name is equal to d-flex. Okay, so we are getting it one by one. And I can do justify hyphen content hyphen around. I will use it like this, justify hyphen content hyphen around, and I will use the CSS, and here I will write it. So justify content space around, we'll try to give it. Now we will be able to get the space, or otherwise space between, we can use the space between also. It will look somewhat fine, right? Let's go to the book read. Here between, we'll see how it will look like. I don't know, it is not nice, so let's try to remove this one. And what I can do is, fine, and I will apply a style here, so that gap of 10 pixel, I will use 10 pixel. So nice, it's looking somewhat fine. Now I want to give a margin bottom, right, for each li. Here let's go to the li. Okay, margin bottom is around 10 pixel. I will give the 10 pixel. So now that's it. So now it is looking somewhat fine. So here we are able to see all the books, and we'll try to do the search also. Whatever the books you are searching, you will be able to get it here. And these are all the books which you have already read. And the books you have read is 2 books. That is a static one. Actually it is 4 books. And the average rating and the user rating average. So here for this book rating and all those things. So now we have successfully completed this one. In the next video we will try to do some more actions in this one. So what I will do is, I will commit this code in video-54, and I will use something like books read list. I will commit this all the code. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, so if they want to refer this code, so you can go to the particular video and you can check it. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.